Hey everybody, this is 4i Driver here. I'm actually at my aunt and uncle's place on their driveway, and today I'm actually gonna wash and wax my car. Um, I waxed my previous cars, but I've never. I've washed my cars, but I've never waxed my car. So this is my first time ever waxing a personal car of mine. So shout out to Chemical guys. I'm gonna set that up soon, but I'm just gonna give you what it looks like because it's just so filthy already, and I just owned it for a month. Look at that bird crap on my door. I mean, leaves and everything else. The neighborhood that I live in, we have a lot of trees, so I get a lot of leaves there, dust and everything else like that. Look at that. More droppings on top. Look at this. Look at this. Look what the hell. The birds. I hate birds, man. I really do. I hate birds so much. Um, Look at that. Look at this. This is just atrocious. Like, what the hell is this? But no worries. I'm gonna wash the wheels first. Then I'm gonna wash the car nice and soapy, nice and specked, and then I'm gonna wax it. But yeah, I'll try to avoid the trees, man. Again, this is just extremely dirty, and I gotta wash it. It's getting cold due to the fall season, but probably once a month or so, once every other month, I'll try to wash it when it gets colder. No, just to protect the car, but I'm just showing you the before details, okay? So, like and subscribe. We're gonna keep washing. We're gonna start it up right now. I'm gonna bring out the everything to wash this car. So here it is. This is the kit that I ordered. Special thanks to Chemical guys. I ordered this on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link information below so you could order that too. So it comes with microfiber towel, that's gonna be good use. Stickers, put that for later. This is for waxing, we'll do that at the end. It comes with a wash mitt that is very useful. Goodies that we have here. Here's the Wheel Works brush, body brush that we're gonna use first to wax the wheels, to wash the wheels. Wheels has to be washed. So in order to use that, here it is, the wheel cleaner. So these two are gonna be used first, for sure. Okay. Then we got the foam blaster gun. That's gonna be exciting. That I can't wait to set that up. That's next. We got the glass cleaner. I may or may not use it because again, I just got my windows tinted and they said not to tint inside, but I could tint outside. So I may or may not use this. We'll see how that goes. This is the silk shine protection. This is for the inside. I'm just gonna clean outside for today. I'm gonna clean inside later. I'll detail that later. That'll be another day. Wax, the butter wet wax, that is definitely gonna be used today. This is the auto wash, of course, that's going to be used for the foam and everything else, so that's just going to be used. And this is the bucket that they come with, the bucket, and this that catches all the debris and dirt. Shout out to the Chemical guys. I also got 2 extra buckets just for water and for other uses as well, so special thanks to those. So again, I'm gonna alternate and clean up the wheels first. After cleaning out the wheels, I'm going to do the body foam and clean up the car, and then I'll wax it at the very end, and I'll show you the after results as well, okay? Bear with me, it's probably going to be a pretty long video. Thank you for, tuning in and seeing the whole process from start to finish. That's pretty much what the video is going to be about. So I'm going to set all this up, guys. Let's go. All right, so I have everything set up. I'm going to open this one right now. Open this, what it comes with. Oh, it's pretty cool actually. Chemical guys, everything else. Nozzles. Let's see inside. The gun. Good for the hose. Nozzles, everything else. And this is all crap. Alright, so I'm gonna attach this right now. Again, thank you to my aunt and uncle who has a good hose and a big driveway for me to clean my car up. My driveway is nearly not as massive. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Cool. Alright, so that is good. Actually I have my phone right here. I actually have the tutorial from Chemical Guys, shout out to them. Again, I'm gonna go back and forth with this because again, you know, I just want to make sure that I'm cleaning the car correctly. So I am gonna fill everything up with water. So this fills up with water. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, so the filter, ooh, that's cold. That's cold. All right, so the filter goes down here. All right, so when I saw the tutorial, it says to pre-wash the wheels first, which makes sense to get rid of this debris because that's the dirtiest. So you have to start with the dirtiest stuff first, which is the wheel, because it makes sense. You have made in contact with the road, and that's the dirtiest part of the car. So I'm gonna start with the wheels and work my way up. All right, move all this first on to the other side. I'm just gonna start with the wheels. Okay. Alrighty. This also goes here. All right, y'all. So again, we're using the Diablo wheel cleaner. Special thanks to Chemical Guys. Open this up all the way up. Smells pretty good actually. Make sure that's on, but first I gotta oh, let's not forget I need this washer. Let me put this in the pocket. I need the wheel works in order to clean the car, of course. The wheels, I have to use the wheel brush. There we go. Thank you, Chemical Guys. Alrighty, so I'll do one wheel at a time, pre-dry. Boom. Look at all that. Get all that detail in. Alrighty. I'm gonna do that for all 4 tires, but I'm gonna do it one at a time. Alright, so they said just spray it with the foam, come and hit it. Oh, looks like gum. All wheel types. Okay. This literally smells like gum. That's funny. All right, spray it all around. I think I got majority of it. Do it on the tire as well. Okay. So after doing all that, it says, of course, clean one wheel and tire at a time, right? Pre-rinse, which I did. Shake well, then spray with a clean with wheels, tires, back, suspension components. Let's sit down grime for no more than several minutes. Okay, and then rinse away with that after scrubbing. All right, I forgot to shake it, my fault, but you know, I think that's about enough for this. Just there. Let it sit for a bit, and I think during the video it says just let it sit for a bit, not too long, and then you scrub it with the brush.
And you want to clean them first because, as you can imagine,
Yes.
using our flat bucket.
Yeah, I did that. Cool.
Because it literally clings onto the surface.
Yep.
Once you spray it on there, it does not go anywhere. It does not, you know, pretty much slide right off the surface of the wheel. It
Yep.
stays on there and it breaks down that heavy grime. Next
Yep.
thing you want to do, dunk your brush into your wash, your water solution.
Dunk it in.
The bristle's nice and moistened. And I like to spray my brush as well, just for added cleaning power.
If you want to do that, I might do that.
And then all you're gonna do is pretty much agitate the surface of the wheel. Now,
All right, time to scrub. First, boom. He sprayed it in. Let me just do that as well. Let me spray from top to bottom. It smells really nice. It smells just like gum. Scrub all that from top to bottom so we'll see from top to bottom. In the past with my previous cars, I rarely clean out the wheel. It's my fault. Maybe it will be in better conditions with my previous car, including one that's over there my brother has now. Shout out to my brother. He has my old car now. But yeah, I rarely clean up the wheels. I normally clean up the outside, but I don't clean up the wheels. I think for this one, for the Acura, for my Acura Integra, I'm gonna clean up the wheels included because, you know, wheels need to be cleaned and taken care of as well. You know, making spick span and nice. Okay. Get out the dirt. Get that in there. Alright, so put that in. Oh my god, look at all that dirt. Yeah, look at all that dirt. Look at all that. I don't know if you see that, but ooh, that's a lot of dirt. I only had this car for a month and a half almost. Okay, nice and good. Scrub some more. Again, it's gonna be a pretty long video. My apologies, but you know, I want to do it from start to finish. You're probably gonna see some behind the scene things as well with my reels as well, because I want to add some things for the reel. I have an idea for one reel to do. You guys will see in the future. So, okay. Now that that is done, I think rub it down from pre-soak, right? I'm just gonna assume that I can wash it out, but I just want to make sure. Just gonna double check the tutorial again. Special thanks to chemical guys. Most likely, after scrubbing it, getting the filth right. Dunking it. Yep, it is. And there was commercial. All right, so it is rinsing it. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Oh, that's beautiful. That's nice. That is very nice. I definitely kind of do see the difference. Yeah, it's pretty. Let me check. Let me see the before and after. Yeah, I do see a difference. Look at that. Yeah, definitely. Oh, that's definitely nice. Hey, excellent. All right, I'm gonna do it for the other tires, as you can see. You guys could continue watching if you like. If not, I'll try to put like a section where you can skip on and see the actual washing, but I'm gonna do the rest of the 3. Alright, so this is fun. I'm gonna do this bubble gum again. I'm curious about how many times you all wash your rims as well. I mean, wheels and tires as well. I'm just kind of curious, you know. Like I said, I admitted that I never wash the wheels of my car, my previous cars that I owned. I never wash it, and that's my fault. But knowing more about the cars and the car community and having passion for this, it's more about, you know what, it's best to have take good care of not only just part of the car, the exterior portion, interior, and the wheels as well. So yeah, I think that's enough. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, it smells really good. The bubble gum make me hungry a bit. Maybe my folk, my aunt and uncle is grilling barbecue over there. So, all right, time to scrub. Yeah, I want to know how many times you guys clean up your car, either monthly, weekly, once a month, once every 3 months. Post a comment below to see, I'm just curious how many times you guys wash your car during the year. I'm definitely, gonna wash my car more often, but considering it's fall time here, maybe once every other month or so. But I just gotta wash it after seeing the pathetic bird poop and everything else. Yeah, to hell with that. And I was planning on taking good care of the car anyway, so in general, I want to take care of this car. Look at all that. Okay. This panel here too is dirty. I'll get that later. Acura logo, clean that too. All right. Now I'm gonna get the hose for the second wheel. 3, 2, 1. Okay, very nice. Nice. Woo, these wheels are coming up fresh. Nice and clean. All right, now we'll do the other side. These other wheels. Oh, wait, I made a mistake. You know what mistake I did? I didn't pre-wash this one. I forgot it. Next time for the other two, gotta pre-wash first. So you guys already saw my mistake. Pre-wash first. Get all the grime out first. There we go. All right. Now I can wash. Now I apply this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Add some of this in here. I'll get the scrubbing. Ooh. Continental tires are doing good work, especially in this northeast weather and roads. They're holding up, but I can't wait to test it out in the winter time when there's snow and everything else. These are all year weather tires that Acura installs, that's been made for the Acura Integra. So thanks. Caliper, brakes, ceramic brakes. Alrighty, I think that looks good. Collect the filter, scrub that off. Nice. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's awesome. Shut the hell up, stupid bird. One of the biggest reasons why I have to clean my car in the first place, damn it. Nice. Now, last wheel. Okay. Diablo wheel cleaner. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Bubble gum flavor. Not gonna lie, I thought Diablo was gonna smell like pepper or something since Diablo is devil. But Diablo is, sorry, Diablo is bubble gum. Alrighty, let's go. Alright, scrub this up a little bit just to get the filter from here. Ooh, someone's banging loud. Alright, scrub. Get all that detail. Oh, the long guys are here for the other people. Okay. Alrighty. Last and final wheel. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's magnificent. Wow, that's magnificent. Beautiful, beautiful. I gotta tell you, this looks really nice. Thank you, chemical guys, for their really, ooh, it's really nice. Oh, this is excellent. Yes, I really like this. Special thanks to chemical guys. I have to take a picture next to it. You know how it is. This is one feature of the behind the scenes of how I do some of the shots for, you know, social media and whatnot. Oh. 3, 2, 1, bam. That is gorgeous. Okay. Alrighty, so the wheels are clean. Now let's wash the entire exterior of the car. Look at this. I'm so, oh my, ugh. Alrighty, wheels are done. Now, next part, the entire car.